it's Gina with WTI. One of my favorite things about this blend Whisper from doTERRA is that I can use it as a pure fume. That's right, it's perfume, but it's pure. I love this blend in particular because it has a really lovely scent to it. It's not overpowering, and I just love the way that it helps me feel calm and grounded. A lot of people are going to pick up on the patchouli tones in this blend, but it's not stinky. I love that it's in a fractionated coconut oil base, and one of my favorite tricks to enjoying the aromatic benefits throughout the day is to apply some to my hand and then smooth it through my hair. The fractionated coconut oil along with the essential oils in it help to calm flyaways, and it's like a natural diffuser on my hair. So not only am I getting benefits from it, but anyone around me is going to be smelling in this lovely aroma. I love to apply Whisper to my pulse points, the back of my neck, and on reflex points on my ankles. If you haven't tried Whisper yet, you really should. I love that it also comes in an easy to apply rollerball bottle. I use it every single day, and that's my point of view.